I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by scanning your first item immediately. Don't queue for help. Aim the scanner about 6 to 12 inches from the barcode and pull steady. This ensures a clean read. Once the screen beeps, place the item in the bagging area where the scale recognizes weight. Make sure to have your preferred payment method ready: card, phone wallet, or cash, because the terminal will prompt payment once all items register and bagging checks are satisfied. Once you've scanned routine items, you'll encounter produce, bulk goods, or items without barcodes. You need to enter PLU codes. Type the numeric code shown on the sign. If the machine flags a weight mismatch, remove the item, rescan, and replace it carefully to let the scale recalibrate. This solves most false alarms. Also, make sure to apply coupons, loyalty discounts, or promos on the touchscreen now, because they must be confirmed before you proceed to payment. You finish by selecting the payment option displayed on the screen. Tap for contactless, insert chip, swipe where supported, or choose cash and follow the register prompts. After payment, remove your bags and check the printer if you want a receipt. If paying cash, count your change before you leave. If the kiosk locks, shows an error, or the attendant button doesn't respond, press the clearly labeled help button and wait. A staff member will override or reset the terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.